What if one day, without warning, the Earth began to spin in the opposite direction?
The energy required to stop Earth's rotation would be beyond anything humanity has ever imagined.
In that moment, the planet itself would fight back. Earthquakes stronger than any in history would tear the crust apart. Entire cities would fall in a matter of minutes.
The oceans would not stay where they belong.
Mega tsunamis would sweep across the planet at unimaginable speed. No coastline would be safe. And then, the impossible would happen. The sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Human perception of time would instantly shatter. The planet's wind systems would reverse entirely. Storms would grow larger, stronger, and deadlier. Entire climate zones would collapse. Rainforests would begin to vanish. The poles would change faster than ever before. Animals would lose their natural navigation. Millions of species would not survive the confusion. The world's food supply would collapse.
Civilization would face instant shortages.
Modern infrastructure would fail.
Flying would become nearly impossible.
Satellites would lose stability.
Navigation, as we know it, it would disappear.
Science would confirm our worst fears. The magnetic field could destabilize. Radiation levels could rise dramatically. Survival would depend on adaptation. Day and night would feel wrong. Global society would fracture.
Nature would take over.
The planet would grow quieter. Eventually, the Earth might stabilize. A new world would emerge. Those who survived would adapt. For them, this would be normal. The Earth would continue, indifferent, The universe does not care about direction. And this is why the direction of our world matters more than we ever imagined.